what's different about them?
They're bigger and smaller.
Yep, this is a bit bigger, this is a bit smaller. What else is different about them? George? There's what? Well, let's check the continents. Everett, it's really distracting. Can you keep that in your head, please? Thank you. North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia. Don't forget Oceania. Don't forget Antarctica. These are the continents, these are the continents, these are the continents of the world. There are two circles here. Yeah, that's true. Let's check and see if all the continents are here.
I'm talking about the continent.
I know, I hear you.
No.
Yeah, thank you, George, I get it. You're right, there's two pieces here. Two parts, and this is all one part. So how do we go from a round one part to a flat two part? How do we do that? Kind of funny, huh? This is round, this is flat. Are all the same continents here? Yeah, they sure are. You guys believe me without checking? Okay, so that's a big question, and I have a really cool way to show you how we're going to answer it. So please put on your listening ears, your crisscross applesauce legs, for our science experiment on how to go from a round globe to a flat map. Is the Earth flat? No, the Earth is round like this. So how is it that we can use a flat map? Well, let's find out. I'm going to put this away, to just move it out of our way, and show you my materials. Last night, I took home some Play-Doh, and I made a Play-Doh globe. It has all, no thank you, please don't touch. It has all of the continents on it. What do you guys think? Does it look like the real thing? Kind of, sort of? Yeah, it's a model. It's a model. It's not exactly the same. It's not perfect. But it has North America, South America, Africa, Europe, and Asia. It has Oceania, and it has Antarctica. So I have that. My other materials are 2 small paper plates, 1 big glass plate, and some fishing line. Fishing line is like a clear string that's really strong. So, George, you noticed that this is 2 pieces. So how do we make 2 pieces from 1? Well, we cut it in half. Miles, can you be my assistant, please? Miles, can you hold this just like that? Yeah, and maybe can you put your hands like here and here on the sides like this? Yeah. All right, I'm taking the fishing line to split the globe. Okay, thanks. Thank you, Miles. That was some great help. Thank you, Miles. It's like a cookie. Okay, let's see what happens. The globe is cut in half. So now we have 2 pieces, but is it flat yet? Not yet. Let's see what happens when we flatten it out. So first, I'll do this half. And I'm going to need you guys to count down with me because we are going to flatten this out. Will you count down from 5 with me? 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Move that out of the way a little bit. It's flattened.
Looks like a cookie. Yum.
You can raise your hand if you have something to say about it or something that you notice about it. So that's how we get that half of the map. Let's see if it works on the other side too. Can you guys give me another countdown? All right. 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Smoosh.
I can't eat both of them.
So the way that we get a flat map is by splitting the earth right down the middle and flattening it out. Now my Play-Doh is not perfect, but you can see how all the continents are now on this flat part. Does anybody have any questions about that? Everett?
Looks like a shape of a cookie.
Oh, it does kind of look like the shape of a cookie. You're right.
I could eat both of them.
I would not recommend it if you had Play-Doh.
I could also.
But would you like a cookie that looks like that?
Yeah.
That would be pretty fun. That would be a fun, really fun activity. You could like make sugar cookies with all the
That would be
different
fun.
colors and flatten them. Yeah, that would be really cool. Carter.
It still has all the colors.
Yes, that's right. The colors are still there. It still represents the same thing. It still represents the same thing. Does anybody else have any questions about that? Carter?
It also has a few pieces that are sticking out. Look.
Yeah, some pieces are sticking out. And like my Antarctica is there, but it's just sort of on the bottom. That one didn't work too well. It's made of a different kind of clay. Here, I can help flip it. And that's why Antarctica looks like it has 2 pieces, even though it's just one continent. That's why on this map, there's 2 pieces that are Antarctica. But really, Antarctica is just one continent. Pretty cool, huh? Any other questions about the flat map? Riley? Oh, you're not sure. So friends, this is your final question. Does this map represent the same thing as the continent's globe? Molly May?
Yes.
Yes, it does. It's the same, but it's different. Thank you for coming to Circle Time today. You can definitely turn that off.